Hello everybody, my name is Jairaj Desai. I am the leader of the team named ArkNet and our team ID is IGC297. So our title or the project we have done is the ecosystem monitoring using multimodal AI. So the multimodal data pipeline contains camera images, which we have trained a animal identification or detection system. Second is audio recognition, which is used for the alert system. When if a poacher shoots at some animal, then the gunshot is heard by the devices and the alert is gone to the forest rangers. Third is ranger notes. As you know, there are many important information that can be gathered from the ranger notes. As you can see that cameras are static and they stay at one place, but forest rangers are an important data source for all the forest monitoring health. So our system is mainly contains as three main parts. First is the animal detection system. The animal detection system is made up of ResNet 50 and MegaDetector V5. It identifies first is multiple animals, multiple species, peoples, vehicles, so we can have a better idea of what is happening in the forest. Second is the acoustic detection system for the alert and understanding the illegal activities or identifying the illegal activities. It is mainly consist of YAMNet, which is used for the audio data set that we have trained on it, and it sends alerts to the people who are forest rangers. Then all those things are saved in a MongoDB database for as a database system. And then the main part, the third part of the video is the web dashboard which we have made, which I will show you after some time, and it contains a rack system based on the local Ollama LLM and a vector DB, which is also local vector DB. For right now, we will move to the quadrant system in future upgrades, and then it is the whole pipeline of our data system. So the impact and scalability, as you know that there is no end-to-end connection system. I have never seen a project do that. So our project is the main system, which will be a new idea to the whole NGO community. So I will show you the systems part-wise. Wildlife monitoring system where I am going to identify species. So right now I have made a Streamlit app for it, but in the real world, when we will apply this whole system in the forest for conservation, we will have it in the embedded systems, so that when a trap camera captures an image of an animal, it is processed in itself and only the important data is saved at the database. So as you can see here, I will drop an image. So this image is now captured here, and then I will apply on identify species. So as you can see, it absolutely captures where the animal is, and also it tells you what type of animal it is with its confidence scores. So it's just not like mm, so this is an photo of a poacher with a gun. So if we try to say this, it captures the person and it tells that there was one person here. So also it not only captures a single animal but multiple animals. As you know, we need to have a better understanding of the whole forest. So right now, as you can see, it captures even a slightest pixel of an animal. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it have captured the 6 animals and it tells for each animal what it could be. Also, it has identification of a vehicle. If an illegal wood cutting is going on, then it can capture the vehicle and it understands what type of vehicle it was. Also, it has very good system that it understands even in the pixelated images. So it is okay to have a low camera quality. So this is the first system of our whole data pipeline or the whole project. So the second system is the audio threat detection system. So this system does is it identifies the gunshots, second car noises, chainsaws, vehicles, and human noises. So as I will drop some test subjects here. So as you can see, I have uploaded a gunshot. So now it's analyzing the audio, and it has perfectly understood that it was a gunshot, and it gives it the highest priority and immediate action required. So an alert will be sent to the forest rangers when this system is applied in real world. And this is the main website where we will have the whole understanding of the forest. So it contains four important things. First is the dashboard, second is the species, third is the AI assistant, which contains a RAG. For right now it's based on the local Ollama LLM, but we can improve it for the further iterations. And the last is map. So it will show you generally how the things are. Like here you can see that there is a sambar deer. So this is the recently detected species. So what it does is that when we will have the whole system running, so it will understood when it was captured, where it was captured, or at what camera location it was captured, and it will tell you that. And also it will tell you a description and habitat and its diet, and also its status at the conservation list or the red list, as you might know it. And it understood also the occurrences of that animal with its confidence score, its historical count, average per month count. So we can have an understanding of the whole health of the biodiversity right now. And it also understood the temporal graph, temporal understanding of when we see this animal most of the time. This right now, this here is the risk of the animal, it's endangered risk of the animal. Also, this is the alert page where you will understand that increased leopard activity near human settlements, so that we need to take action at that area of the forest. Also, the water level changes if we have an device which can calculate the water levels in the species. So so if you go here, this is the species monitoring system. So at the first glance, you will see that it has proper understanding of how much generally the Sanjay Gandhi National Park in Mumbai has. So it tells you that it generally has 40 mammals, 250 birds, 38 reptiles, 9 amphibians. This is the historical data of the system. So as we will move on, so as new animals will be captured, it will be added to this system. Here is the all animals that have been captured on the trap camera. So you can see this is how it will be shown, and you will have a better color understanding, as you will see that it is high priority as Indian leopards are endangered. Bengal tigers are somewhat medium priorities, and the spotted deers are okay right now. And this is the AI system, AI system, which I have made a rack on it. So as you can see, you can choose test data, like here, upload the test data, and then go into the rack. So it is the test data of petrol in the 10 to 12 November 2025. So what it says is that at 10 November, at this timeline, we spotted an tiger at this location, and there is deer barkings, alarm calls at this time. Also the water points, human activities, and summary of the whole. So this is the, so if I want to ask on these questions on based on this text, so I'll ask, tell me what uh, happened in the dates 10 to 12 November in S San Gandhi National Park. So it will start to tell you if, and it also has the answer length. So if I ask the same question again, and if you want a detailed understanding or the detailed answer, you will get a more detailed answer. It has said that barking deers on 11 November, as you have seen in the text dataset. So this is the whole rack system right now. I know it can be improved a lot, and we will improve if we got selected. And the last, tell me about tigers. Hmm. So so right now it is a rack system. That's why telling me what is uh, what tiger appeared in some notes. So tell me about tigers, not from the ranger notes, just general idea. So if a ranger wants to know information about certain animals which he has not seen or never read about in its coursework, so it he can have an understanding of what that animal might be or what type of animal that is. And this rack system is going to contain the whole system. Like ranger notes is going to be the data from our MongoDB database is going to be there, and it tells you that tigers are the largest big cats, weighing up to 600 kilos, and etc etc. This is the biodiversity map. So let it load the map. It may take some time. So this is the whole system and why it is important. As you can see that our whole project is based on from the end to end. So we want a system which is very in the flow of itself. So it should have an, faster detections, faster capturing of the animals, and also the understanding of the whole forest. So so a park ranger can stay or understood the whole forest at that day or at that time without needing to just go out in a night with the dangerous animals and etc. Is detected. So as you can see, this is the map. This is the map, and this is the map of the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, as you know it. So if I click on the recent sightings, it will tell me that this spotted deer is spotted at this camera location. So as you can see, Indian leopard is spotted at here, a hawk is spotted here, and etc etc. So this is the whole system right now, and I know it can be improved a lot. And I hope we get selected and we will improve on this with help of the local people or the local forest rangers, and also the community which we have built there. And for the future work, our future work is going to be uh, making it scalable so that all the forest can apply this system and have a better health monitoring system than what is going on right now in all the whole world. So this is the whole project right now, and I hope you enjoyed this video and the whole project, and maybe we'll see us in the final competition. So goodbye. Thank you again. This was the team leader Jairaj Desai of the team name ArkNet and the team ID IGC297. Thank you very much.